Hello guys, this is a quick review of the Nest Thermostat. I've been using this for a while. As you can see here, it's very easy to use. You have the temperature here and you can just change it. Let's say, for example, you want a 75, you just rotate and you go to 75. Again, 76, it's cooling right now. If I want to go down, I just rotate to the left and I'm ready to go. If I want to access the menu, I just push here and I have different options here. So the date and time, I can also check the settings and here the history, schedule, and then I can also select the fan, echo, or cool mode, okay? Here on settings, you have different options. Home away assist, for example, echo, minimum and maximum, safety temperature, schedule, and a lot of other stuff. Here's reminders, energy program, display. For example, you can change here the temperature that you can see, target temperature or current temperature, analog clock, whatever you want to see here. You select it and then it's done. Here, brightness, click on sound, temperature. If you prefer Celsius or Fahrenheit, you just change it here. Date and time, language. If you speak another language, you can select it here. For example, Spanish or English, and then you push it to select it. Here, let me just cancel this one, come back to English US, push it again. Okay, and ready to go. So different options, network, lock, equipment, everything that you need here for your configuration, and then you come back to the temperature, right? And you can also use the app. You connect your application here, and from here you can control. When I select here, for example, I see 75, and I press here, it goes to 74. I just wait for a while, and you can see there that's changing, right? So remotely I can control here without coming directly here to the thermostat, okay? So it's very good. I've been using it for a while. I like it and I recommend it.